hazards radio public warning alarm system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are typically conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of inclement weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with alarm tone features are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warning and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Donovan counties of northeast Kansas, and Holt and Atchison counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
This hazardous weather outlook is proportions of southwest.
Jesus, that thing would not shut up. Well, that was the postponement of the required weekly test. It was postponed to today because of, Winter Storm Elliott going across the area. But there you go. And I say that was a good postponement test, I must say.